Meet the essential brake side cover for your Husqvarna chainsaw in a vibrant orange design that ensures safety and durability. This sturdy cover protects both you and your chainsaw from debris while adding a professional touch to your equipment. Perfect for models like the 340, 345, 346 XP, and more. It installs quickly so you can focus on your work with confidence. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore pricing and delivery options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tool reviews and smart finds. Key features include precise fit for Husqvarna saws, robust plastic construction, and easy installation.